Okay, in the previous video we did the site header, which is now nicely working. Now we're going to do the site side navigation. Now most of these templates have various different navigation controls down the side. Now obviously we need to swap this out so it shows the merchant's own list of categories. Not just the ones that were defined in the template. So Firebug is our friend again. We're going to go in and find out how that works. Okay, now most of them are most people nowadays use a big unordered list, and our built-in tag very simply will render out a nice big unordered list, exactly the same, and it has many options for classing it, so this is going to be really easy. So basically we've seen that how it works there. I'm going to find it in the site Storefront editor, and I do that again, get into the admin area, store design, customize template. Okay, and I'm going to find where it says categories. Right, okay, there we go, there's categories, and this is what looks like here, the unordered list. Big nice unordered list. Now I can verify that that's right by putting a couple of X's above and a couple of X's below, and there we go, we can see it. Okay, so there we go. So let's remove those X's, and we're going to use a tag called site navigation, which you can use, which can do all sorts of clever things, but ultimately it renders out some navigation as an unordered list. And we go in here, find the tag site navigation, and there we go. Now that has a lot of attributes. Now again, you can see it's not style, but it will be in a sec. If I click tag reference and find site navigation, there we go, it's here. Right, this has got a huge list of attributes. I'll show you which ones we'll be using now. You can style it, class it, set it to do virtually anything using these attributes. Okay, now you don't need to worry about most of them. For this one you can have a play with them, but we're going to set some attributes. Now we notice this only goes one level deep, so I'm going to first of all say max depth equals 0, which should limit us to one level deep. Okay, yep, there we go. Now also it's showing product categories. Now there's a code for showing product categories. You can start from any category, but if I say start category equals -2, then it should now show just product categories. Okay, which we've got some pants, some t-shirts, some Latin filler text. Now there's the home link, it's not shown. We don't want or need the home link, so we do show home equals false. Okay, and what we should be left with, there we go, is 4 product categories. Brilliant. Okay, now you can see the styling's wrong. That's because these items are classed. So Firebug is our friend. Go into Firebug. The surrounding UL has got a class, and we can match that. We have an attribute for that called CSS class. So we do CSS class and mirror what's there. So we've set the outer class. Okay, and you can see already that has actually done the job. They have merged in, so you can't tell ours from theirs. There are some inner classes. The template doesn't use these, but we can add them anyway. So on each list item we have a class, and if we consult our tag list we can see a item CSS class. Okay, we've got first item CSS class because the first item CSS class is different. So first item CSS class, and then according to Firebug it's bg_list_un. And then I happen to know, but you can check it from the sheet, that item CSS class will tell it what class to render out on the each list item, which is bg_list. Now I've now mirrored that, and we can see it's been mirrored by using Firebug. So we can see our list here, which has a class on it, and then each list item has the item class, and the first one has the bg_list on, and then each subsequent item has that, which matches the original one from the template. Okay, now we can safely now remove the original one from the template, so that, because obviously that's not valid, and I'm going to delete that now, and that's it. This list, as the merchant adds products and categories, this list will update to show those. So this is now done. This is now a fully rendered site navigation list. Okay, and for the next video we will cover promotional banners, so we can make this a promotional banner, and we'll also cover the main header banner that only shows on the home page as well. But that's site navigation for you.